I have been a licensed real estate agent in the state of New Jersey for 30 years and a full-time active agent for approximately 11 years. I primarily handle Hunterdon and Somerset County. That is the core of my business. I actually come from a family of real estate brokers and agents. My grandfather was a broker many years ago. He opened up his first office in Basking Ridge, and both my parents, my mother and my father, both were real estate agents. My father was also a broker. I was doing open houses for my father when I was about 19 years old, so I've been doing it a long time.
I became a Unity Bank customer when I was purchasing my third home post-divorce. Karen Coletti was my real estate agent, and I was looking for a bank that was going to service my needs. And she referred me to Unity Bank, and that's where she introduced me to Jim Evell.
We used to, years ago, I used to work with larger banks. I like working with Unity because it is a smaller type of a bank. Everything is very specialized here. The interest rates I find to be very, very competitive, which is my job is to get my client the best, deal possible. So I find that they've been also relatively easy to work with compared to some of the larger banks.
I can equate a bigger bank to a box store, and I can equate Unity to a boutique. And when you go into a boutique, it's almost as if you get some specialized service. So what I was feeling when I first entered into a conversation with Unity was that they were about their customers, and I needed a bank that was going to work for me, work toward my needs.
If I have a specialized case, say someone that maybe doesn't have perfect credit, you don't have to talk to somebody in Illinois or another part of the state. Jim is able to go upstairs and talk to somebody in regard to a specialized situation.
Their process was automated, so I could do everything online through a secure connection and do everything through email. But the accessibility part was I had access to Jim and I had access to Ruta, who was his processing agent. So anytime I called, they called me back. That's where the trust was established. And that made it easy for me. I knew I was always going to get a phone call back.
The service here has been very painless for my buyers, and a lot of other banks that I have worked with in the past have been very difficult.
The process was streamlined and fluid. So yeah, it was really easy, and I'm really happy about that.